Did you know finasteride can reduce hair loss in 90% of men? That's a staggering number, isn't it? Imagine the relief and joy that comes with seeing your hair grow back, thicker and healthier. Hair loss isn't just about losing hair. It's about losing confidence, feeling isolated, and sometimes even feeling anxious. It can affect your social life, your professional life, and even your personal relationships. Picture this: a woman hiding her scalp with a scarf, feeling self-conscious every time she steps out of the house. A man nervously adjusting his hat in a social setting, trying to hide his thinning hair from his friends and colleagues, or slow-motion shots of hair falling onto a bathroom sink. Each strand that falls is a blow to their self-esteem. It's a struggle many face, and it's not just about vanity. It's about feeling good in your own skin, and it can feel incredibly isolating. But let's talk solutions. Meet Finasteride. This medication has been a beacon of hope for many. This little pill works by blocking DHT, a hormone that shrinks hair follicles and leads to hair loss. The root cause of hair loss. Think of DHT as the villain in this story. Imagine DHT as tiny invaders attacking your hair follicles. They weaken the follicles, making it harder for hair to grow. Finasteride steps in like a shield, blocking those invaders. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your hair. It's a game changer for many. People who once felt hopeless now have a reason to smile. And it's backed by science. Extensive research and clinical trials have shown its effectiveness. Researchers in lab coats have pointed to graphs showing a 12% increase in hair density in just 1 year. That's impressive, right? And it doesn't stop there. Even better, 87% of users saw regrowth. That's nearly 9 out of 10 people experiencing positive results. Picture a time-lapse of a scalp under a microscope transforming before your eyes. It's like watching a miracle unfold. Let me introduce you to John. John tried everything. Shampoos, oils, even home remedies, until he found Finasteride. It was a turning point in his life. Before, he'd examine his bald spots in frustration. Each day was a reminder of his struggle. Now he's confidently styling his thicker hair. He feels like a new man. Imagine a split screen of old John versus new John. The transformation is remarkable. The difference is night and day. So why wait? Regain your confidence. Take the first step towards a better you. Ask your doctor about Finasteride. It could be the solution you've been searching for. Picture a diverse group laughing outdoors, enjoying life without the worry of hair loss. Sunlight glinting on their full heads of hair. It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? Your journey starts today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your questions in the comments below. We're here to help you every step of the way.